this one again. So I'm holding it, my thumb down, so then that's way it's gonna be. It's really is minimum of issue to like flying everywhere, so it stay in one place. You didn't feel anything, huh? Yumika?
No.
Really good. Because it's right on the top of the nail, so it'd be safe, you know? You can hear that sound stay on really good. Thanks to like Trifecta that we're using.
Yes.
It stay on. And she's like, you know, a mom. She cooking, she cleaning, she do all sort of thing.
Yeah, Chantal asked you. I'm having a hard time laying my acrylic. I think I used too much. So she asked if you have a video for beginner in acrylic.
In the acrylic, I have a lot of videos, Chantella, on Facebook and Instagram too. If you check it on the video on Facebook and Instagram, there are a lot of new sets that I've done to laying the acrylic.